Hey y'all, so happy Sunday. I'm currently out at dinner with my mans, Roosevelt. Say hi.
What's up?
So we're trying new places today. We're at
Let's have some lupini beans for you guys.
Alright.
These are complimentary.
interesting.
So they do have a shell around them, but it's perfectly fine to eat it with it. I usually eat it with it.
It has what?
Shell around it.
Oh, a shell.
That's why I gave you guys this little thing.
Okay.
It's perfectly fine to eat it with it.
Okay,
Cool.
thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah. I guess you guys anything else right now?
Nah, that's
No,
it.
it's good.
Yeah?
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
So we're completely trying things where we're just so oblivious to what's going on, to be honest. Like we're just going with the flow. But I got this shrimp type of spaghetti type pasta. He got a cheese wheel pasta, so like an actual wheel of cheese or scraping the cheese off, which is pretty cool. And they just gave us a complimentary appetizer. Something about some beans. I don't know. But we walked around for like a good 30 minutes before we even chose a place.
Because Renee couldn't make up her mind.
And neither could Roosevelt, because I told him to pick somewhere too, and he wasn't. So don't put it all on me.
This is all on you.
No.
This
Okay.
is for you. Well, I gotta taste it. I can't taste yours.
I'm gonna taste mine too. Go ahead, you first. Did. You can take smaller bites, babe. How is it?
This is fire.
Is it?
This is like Alfredo. If you wanted it, this is like.
But I was confused why he didn't, when I was asking what type of white sauce, he didn't say that one. Like he could have.
Like, I don't know. Like, remember it was like in some.
But I was asking what type of sauce will resemble like Alfredo or like a white sauce, and like he couldn't think of nothing. Like,
Creamy truffle. I don't know what truffle was, so.
but I'm saying like with even him, like he couldn't think of anything.
I think he's new. Keep it G.
Maybe
Because he didn't know happy hour.
that's true. Is it recording?
Oh, what is it? Take smaller bites, babe.
It's good. Fresh shrimp.
It's good. Yeah, he just brought us like all these little individual samples and stuff too. So yeah, kind of cool.
It's good. All right, y'all. So we enjoyed our time in Little Italy. Oops, I pressed some button, babe. I don't know what I pressed. Anyways, we enjoyed our time in Little Italy. You look so boring.
Boring.
Like boring, like you're just not interested. You're the one who told me to vlog,
That was earlier.
so I can't vlog the rest of it. I don't got enough footage yet. That was only like 2 minutes of our day.
Okay.
Well, right now we're waiting for his friend because it's his friend's birthday.
It was his birthday.
Or it was his birthday yesterday, but they've been like celebrating yesterday and today. But he didn't go yesterday because he at work. So right now he's trying to hang out with them, and we're at Mission Beach now, trying to see what's up and what's the move. My lips are super dry.
Got some Burt's Bees for
I don't
you
like that
on deck.
one. That one's trash. Do y'all like Burt's Bees chapstick or Carmex?
Carmex made my lips swell up one day. Stop using them.
Do you ever swell up when you kiss me? Because that's all I be using.
Yep.
You lying. Lying. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. So, update y'all. Say what's up, baby.
I thought you wanted to my toast.
No.
That's gonna be nasty.
So I'm currently on my way to work. Stopped at the gas station, Arco, to get some gas. Entirely too expensive. But so yeah, today is Monday the 12th. I'm gonna go to work, and then I have to go to my sorority sister's birthday dinner, and then after that, going to the gym, hopefully. But anyways, just keeping y'all updated, and I'll see y'all there.
Yes. Can I please get your lobster and shrimp? Yes, please.
Good morning, y'all. So yes, this morning, I know it's dark. I know this isn't the best lighting, But because it is 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm on my way to the gym, okay, because I have goals to achieve. But anyways, I didn't vlog that much yesterday as I wanted to, because when I was at Yard House, I found hair in my food and I was just pissed. I was disgusted, and I sent it back and I was just mad and I didn't feel like being there no more. So, and then I was really tired when I got home. But whatever. I wanted to tell you guys about this little 3-day cleanse I'm doing with my mom anyway. So for 3 days, we're just literally eating fruit, vegetables, salad, and yogurt, and drinking water. If you want a sweet tooth, we have a sweet tooth. If you want some juice, we could drink some 100% pressed juice. But that's it. So yesterday was like the pre to that. So yesterday I did pretty good. I just ate some yogurt and fruit all day, and then I did eat my salad. Well, 2 bites of my salad at the Yard House, but there was plenty with my food, so I couldn't finish eating the rest. But so, but today and tomorrow and Thursday, we're gonna really be on it. Well, I haven't decided I'm gonna do Thursday yet, since technically I already started yesterday, because my mama just didn't start yesterday. But whatever, I might still go to Thursday with her. But anyways, like I said, I'm on my way to the gym, meeting my boyfriend there, Roosevelt. Y'all know who he is, and he said he's gonna kill us today in the gym. So let's see what he has planned. Wow, I turned on my camera and all I see is this pimple on my cheek. I look a mess. I'm gonna do a facial tonight. But anyways, I wanted to update y'all and let y'all know how my workout went. It was good. My legs are sore, really bad right now. Y'all saw a little bit of what we did. I went to work, got off at 5:30. It's about 6:30 now. I'm on to my little second job. I do Uber Eats on the side. I did a whole video on it, if you're interested in that. So yes, that's what I'm doing currently, just until traffic dies down, honestly, because I live a little further. I work a little further away from home for right now, just for the rest of this week. So until traffic dies down, just doing this. But hopefully y'all can hear me and the wind is not too annoying. But I'm about to go. I think there should be enough footage for this vlog, so I'm gonna end this right here, finish up making this Litecoin, and then I will hit y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.